Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr. Bookman here. So how's everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's fine and well where you're at during these crises. Today I'm going to be reading Can Cat and Bird Be Friends by Coll Muir. Please enjoy. Can cat and bird be friends? Are you a bird? Yes, I am. Then I must eat you. Why? Because I am a cat and cats eat birds. Why do cats eat birds? I don't know. It's always been like that. Can't I be your friend instead? Oh, I'm not sure about that. How would a bird make a good friend for a cat? Well, I know. A fun box for a cat to play in. I love this box. I know the highest tree for a cat to get stuck in. This tree is very tall. And I know the best car for a cat to hide under. I agree, this is the fantastic car to hide under. Okay, bird, you can be my friend. Wait a second, how would a cat make a good friend for a bird? Well, let me think. I know the perfect wire for a bird to sit on. This is a lovely wire. I know where there are lots of twigs for a bird to make a nest with. These are super sticks. I know where there are loads of juicy worms for a bird to eat. These worms are totally tasty. Okay, bird, we could be friends, but friends do things together, don't they, cat? Yes, well, I don't like playing in boxes, getting stuck up in high trees or hiding under cars, and I don't like sitting on wires making nests or eating worms. You're right. If we're going to be friends, we've got to find something we both like doing. So what do we both like doing? I like stretching. Do you? Do you like cleaning yourself in water? No, I don't. Not really. Do you like licking? Nope. Do you like flying? Of course not. I'm a cat. I guess that's it. Then we have nothing in common. We can't be friends. Oh well, I think I'll just go home. I've got a painting to finish. Painting. I love painting. I love painting too. We can be friends. Yes, we can. Yeah, they made friends, didn't they? They found something that they liked doing, painting. Well, do you got any friends, and what do you and your friends get along, and do you and your friends do things together? Give me a thumbs up. Just curious. Well, everyone, I hope all of you enjoyed this story time reading, and I want to say thank you very much for watching and enjoying. And everybody out there, you have a good one, and please be safe out there during these crises that is happening around the world, and please wear your mask if you go out. But until then, I am Mr. Bookman, and this book reading is over.